fun. Everyone's just packing up for the day, taking off. I'm the only one out here in the staging area. That's cool though, because right out of staging, we've got all these crazy little lines here leading up this hill. It's like the perfect little training ground. A lot of you local guys know exactly where I am, and yeah, this is a pretty popular spot to come ride. Woo! Why is that sounding good? Look at this. You don't need a counterbalanced engine. What do you need a counterbalanced engine for? Yeah, it feels good on the ass. Man, it is so nice out right now. It's like plus 10 degrees today. It's beautiful. The ground's a little mucky though, and there's cow shit everywhere out here. Like, oh my God, just landmines everywhere. Better not fall off in that. What was I saying about it being slick? Yeah, it's slick. It's because the ground is still frozen underneath this shit. Look at that. Oh man, I totally slid through some landmines too. What an idiot. Oh, dude. Gross. Better not throw these ones in the washing machine, the wife might kill me. Woo! How you doing? Awesome. Not so much sun over here, it's a little bit more slick. More snow too, holy. Oh yeah. Oh God. What the fuck? Okay. Shitty. Damn tree. I'm gonna take someone's head off. Oh, my saw me today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting a little rutted up. Careful. Braking is not so good. I need to take a break. Holy crap. I've been out in a couple weeks. My arms are getting pumped up. What the hell? I totally thought it went this way. Hard left, hard left. This is a snotty little uphill right here. I mean, it's downhill right now, but we're gonna turn it into an uphill in just a second. Yeah! Check this out. Sick. Nice bridge, buddy. Oh yeah. Whoa. What was I doing? Fuck. You missed the clutch, bro. Oh. Whiskey. Throttle. Ow, hurt my thumb. Idiot.